initial talks began 9 years ago.
And now, our incredible journey is complete.
This is our story.
A story about our pride and our passion.
A story about a special team in Qatar.
People who have realized an extraordinary vision.
To build the world's largest energy project.
Based on a design put together by 13 Shell offices in 10 different countries.
For over 30 years,
we've been developing the science and technology
to convert natural gas into a range of high-quality liquid products.
Destined to touch the world.
In so many different and surprising ways.
A technical innovation that's not only Qatar's largest ever construction project, but the world's biggest GTL plant too.
So to produce it, we built the largest steam methane reformer in our industry.
The largest processed water recycling scheme with zero discharge.
And the largest quality base oil plant in the world.
To build it, 50,000 people have come to Qatar.
From more than 60 countries.
Teamwork and a diverse and inclusive workforce have been crucial to our success.
Without this, the whole thing wouldn't have been possible.
This has all been aligned to our core values of honesty, integrity,
respect for people, and of course safety.
We have spent 500 million hours building this marvel.
We have reached 77 million hours accident-free.
This is a record for Shell and a record for Qatar too.
Our aim was always to have zero fatalities
and no harmful incidents.
Making sure that all of us return safely to our families and loved ones.
The Pearl Village has set a new benchmark for welfare in the Middle East.
We are housed in our own village full of great amenities.
But we don't just sleep here.
We are a fully fledged community.
That makes us feel at home, even when we're out here.
So what benefit will our product bring to the world?
GTL kerosene burns with lower emissions, giving us cleaner air.
The superior performance of GTL gas oil gave the world its first ever diesel winner at Le Mans.
Pearl GTL base oils mean that vehicle and lubricant design will enable tomorrow's cars to be smoother and more efficient than ever.
We are working with local universities in the race to see how far we can go on just 1 liter of fuel.
High-quality naphtha means more plastic for new toys.
Bring on 2022!
I can't believe we even make detergent from gas.
All this is a giant step forward for meeting the world's cleaner energy demands.
So far, we have filed over 3,500 patents in GTL technology.
But we'll not be stopping there.
We will continue to file new patents from here in the Qatar Shell Research and Technology Center.
This, then, is our story.
A story that has really only just begun.
Every day our products touch the lives of millions of people. An incredible journey that brings innovation and cleaner energy to the world.
Today, the world faces the ever-increasing challenge of keeping the air in our cities clean. Cities are growing bigger, new cities are emerging, and more energy is being consumed to power them, placing ever more stress on the quality of the air that we breathe. To meet this challenge, Shell has been developing cleaner sources of energy. In this video, we're going to look at one of these, gas to liquids, GTL, and see how it might help meet the cleaner energy challenge. But what is GTL? GTL are high-quality liquids that are produced from natural gas. The gas undergoes chemical transformation into products otherwise derived from crude oil. One such product is GTL fuel. Other products are base oils for lubricants and chemical feedstocks. GTL fuel has many advantages over other fuels. It's a clear, non-toxic, biodegradable fuel, colorless and odorless, and virtually free from sulfur and aromatics. And when combusted in a normal diesel engine, it produces significantly lower emissions of local air pollutants, such as particulates, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides, which makes it a particularly attractive fuel for urban areas. GTL fuel has the same easy handling characteristics as diesel and can be used in the same vehicles and infrastructure as diesel-powered vehicles. This means it can be effortlessly integrated into existing fleet operations and used alongside any conventional powered equipment or vehicle, be they car, bus or truck. It can be used in old as well as new vehicles, yielding immediate local emissions benefits across all fleet, without any upfront or additional operational investments. It can also be blended with conventional diesel and/or biodiesel. This ability to be readily used in existing infrastructures and workflows with no additional expenditure makes GTL one of the most cost-effective alternative fuels in the market. Shell is a world leader in GTL fuels. In fact, Shell started operating the world's first commercial plant in Bintulu, Malaysia in 1993. Shell is currently building the world's largest GTL plant in Qatar to help meet the world's growing demand for cleaner energy. Prior to full-scale commercialization, Shell has been conducting a series of trials to demonstrate the everyday benefits of GTL fuel. In 2007, Shell partnered with Connection, a major Dutch bus operator in Delft, the Netherlands, to power some of their vehicles with GTL fuel. The results were very positive.
We lopen natuurlijk nog in de proef, maar nu al zien wij dat er forse percentages reductie wordt gerealiseerd. NOx ongeveer 15% en de roetdeeltjes ligt daar dicht in de buurt.
And this was achieved while delivering comparable or even better performance.
Deze GTL-vloeistof heeft helemaal geen beperkingen voor het motorvermogen. Het motorvermogen van de bus blijft hetzelfde.
The most recent trial commenced in July 2010, when Shell and Van Ganzewinkel, one of the largest Dutch garbage collectors, undertook another series of real-world trials of GTL fuel.
Daarnaast zijn we recentelijk met Shell een pilot gestart om in een aantal van onze voertuigen in plaats van de normale diesel GTL te gaan gebruiken, waar wij hopen een groot effect mee te bereiken op het verminderen van de uitstoot van fijnstof NOx.
There are other significant benefits for the employees too.
Ik heb nu al een tijdje met GTL gereden en als je gewoon kijkt naar de motorprestaties, daar lever je niets op in.
En het geluid van de motor is aanzienlijk minder. En ja, als je gewoon even het gas erop moet zetten, dan kun je ook zien van totaal geen rook. Dus ja, dat is allemaal prettige bekomstigheden.
While the Van Ganzewinkel trial was being conducted, TNO Netherlands, a specialist test facility with state-of-the-art equipment, was simultaneously carrying out detailed emissions analysis.
De eerste voorlopige tests zien er gewoon zonder meer goed uit. En we praten over een vermindering van 10 tot 15% van de fijnstof NOx. Daarnaast hebben we gewoon een aantal leuke voorbeelden van medewerkers die zeggen van ik vind dat mijn auto minder lawaai maakt. Of ik moet op die auto klimmen en ja, zo'n ding heeft in sommige gevallen een hoge uitlaatpijp. Ik heb het gevoel dat die lucht gewoon schoner is. Nou, dat zijn gewoon leuke bijeffecten. Als de proef datgene gaat brengen op het gebied van beperking van de fijnstof, wat wij hopen en waar Shell van overtuigd is, dan is er geen enkele reden voor ons op technisch gebied, op milieugebied, om hier niet mee door te gaan en zou dit een absolute waardevolle toevoeging kunnen worden.
So the benefits can be seen as clearly in the labs as in the workshop and on the road. GTL fuel is a cleaner, versatile fuel that can be easily and cost-effectively integrated into existing infrastructure and vehicle fleets. Without the need for any upfront investment, GTL fuels deliver immediate local air emissions benefits across all vehicles, old and new. It also provides a more pleasant working environment for drivers and workshop staff. The trials clearly demonstrate the emissions and environmental benefits of GTL fuel and how it can play a vital role in making our towns and cities more pleasant places to live.